Imagine empowering your Twilio messages to send recipients directly to a website with just a tap. Sending clickable links through Twilio is surprisingly straightforward because Twilio's messaging platform is designed to automatically recognize properly formatted URLs within your message body. The most crucial step is ensuring your URL is fully qualified. This means it must include the correct protocol, either HTTP or HTTPS. Without this prefix, the link will likely appear as plain text and not be clickable by the recipient's device. Once you have your fully qualified URL, simply include it anywhere within the text of your SMS or WhatsApp message. Twilio will process it, and the recipient's device will render it as an active hyperlink that they can directly tap. For the best user experience, consider using URL shorteners to make your links concise and readable. Always provide clear context around your link, explaining what the recipient can expect to find when they click. And remember, thorough testing is key to ensure your links are working perfectly before sending to your audience. By following these simple steps, you can confidently send interactive messages, guiding your users directly to the information or action you intend. It's that easy to make your Twilio communications truly clickable.